Man, checking up my birds real quick. Seeing how everybody doing. We're looking good, man. We're looking good. They still got the eggs over there. My cream, my yellows, man. This dude stay trying to get on that water ball. He used to sleep in there, that's why. He be trying to get in there and fight that cockbird. Man, this cockbird right here is real nice, man. I like this cockbird a lot. I'm gonna have to show y'all right now again. A better video of him in the sun. I got my baby right here. It looks like he's doing alright. Shit, man. Looking good, man. We're looking good. Trying to hop out today. I'm gonna find my birds today. Let's see a little bit. Yeah, man, we're looking good, man. We're looking good. Got my babies.